down.
Jesus Christ.
And I want it on a, not a hot dog bun. I want it on a hoagie bun, like a long bun.
Okay.
More bun, more hot dog. You know, that's not gonna happen though. We eat leftovers. We eat that shit till it's gone.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn
Some that I don't need. Sure, yep, right here. I'm already used to stuff. Good and thick. This is gonna knock that ice right on out. I'm going to the hardware store too because I need, auto car place because I need some stuff to get this stuff off my woman's ass. I need to put it in my, shit melting now. I see people leaving out and there goes somebody else coming up in here. I don't know what the fuck, they don't know how to drive. Something. I hope it don't be me though. Okay, what's up, YouTube fam? Hey, bitch. My son, we got a challenge going on. I got to turn the camera around, okay? So I'll be right back. I don't know how to do this shit without doing it. He got to get that piece of ice off right there in one piece for $5. Go. $5 whole. Right, just right there. You can take it down. You can take it anywhere you want to. You can use other pieces of ice to get it off. That's not the one you should be working on. Your piece is melting. If it melts, you're disqualified.
Oh, jeez.
Yes. He's $5. $5. Look at the intensity on his face, people. Look at it. He's intense. He's trying to get that ice off. Time is ticking. It's getting hot. Want me to shut the door so the heat won't be coming out?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, he think he can get the ice off. I told his ass he can't. Yeah. So this one we finna take out with us. I'm locking myself out. This is one time the windows will get broke. Get it! You letting it melt. I'll get your big chunk over here. Let me get you some over here. I don't think we're gonna be able to do it. Y'all, we would go in our black car, but we gotta go in the loud mouth today because I don't know about them brakes on my other car. He's still struggling, guys. He wants them $5, but his ice is melting. His ice is melting. He can't get it. Don't get frustrated. $5 waiting on you. Burger King, McDonald's, we ain't ate yet.
I want leftovers.
Yeah, he said he wanted leftovers, so that's it. Okay, come on, let's get in. Y'all, we finna roll. It was impossible. I knew that. That's why I told you to do it.
Now, if I would have had, I got it off, you would have.
I would have paid you. Period. I would have paid you. What the fuck you mean? I always pay you, don't I?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Nose running. Gonna turn y'all around, guys, so y'all can ride with us. Nashville ain't seen no snow like this in forever. So, you got no problem. Thank God, my nose running. hill, so my car's pretty good. I hope we can make it back up in this sucker. I got faith we can because I can drive. Oh, snatched. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's throw it down that child. Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn you guys around so y'all can see this adventure. And Lord, I just pray the blood of Jesus all over us as we travel. We're only going to get gas, and you know, I can drive pretty good, and hopefully no jerk doesn't run into me. If he does, I hope he has insurance because I do. And I'm sorry, maybe the car won't be so loud today, y'all, because I'll put it on this now. Because I can't go that fast. Okay, so here we go, guys. We are just definitely finna get out here in this mess. Wish us luck. You guys are going for the ride. Yes, guys. I told my son I know how to drive. I'm not afraid of this shit. I'm not gonna be locked in the house. I got shit to do. Okay, guys, we are now coming down this hill. I think I'm gonna be good with it. What I'm gonna put to the test now is what my brother taught me. I am now in a clean slide, guys. I am not. It's okay, I got this. I'm in a clean slide, and this is the way you want to go. You do not want to, well, I'm not really in a clean slide, but I'm definitely, I got this. I'm gonna get some gas, and I'm gonna bring this bitch back home. And that's that. And I'm gonna stop at this stop sign. Watch me, here it goes, nothing. Stop. Yeah, we got this, blinkers on. Good, like the little beach channel, some little trick, you know, while we on the back streets. But yes, guys, I know how to drive in the snow. My son, he knows I know how to drive. We've been in, well, we got stuck in it one time, and I'm the one put Corvette out.
Bitch, you are.
Remember? When the police was like, do your car back and forth, the wheel back and forth like that until you dig yourself out of it, and it worked. But yeah, that was back 7 years ago. I was doing the Corvette. But yeah, this kind of stuff, I love it. I love the snow. And the only thing that I have to say is that it's just about being, okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, I like this slide. Oh my God. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna take our time. I mean, you know, we got this. And I really think I need to be, oh my God, my mirror is not unthought. I cannot see. Okay, these are the mirrors. See right here? See that little thing right there?
Yeah.
I used to think that was lights, but that's heating up the mirrors. I think. I'm not really sure. But yeah, guys, everything is good. I mean, remind me when I get to the gas station to wipe these little side view mirrors off, because I definitely need these. I mean, it ain't no big biggie. I mean, you just gotta know how to drive, and I definitely know how to drive. I'll tell you what I am gonna do when I'm gonna get over, because I don't want to slide off into the ditch. Is what I don't want to do. So when I get down by the gas station, I'll just get over. Okay. We got all the defense on. I'm cool, to be honest with you. Okay, so I definitely am. I think it's wonderful. I love this weather, you know. I don't want to, you know, like, I don't see anything behind me. I just didn't want to, I believe I can definitely get over on that side, but, you know, you don't really see people driving by the sides, because we got the little drop-off sides, some of them, not all of them. You know, I'd like to do a donut. You want to go to a church parking lot and show off my stuff?
Oh, hell no!
You remember I did that before when I was young? Went to to that church parking lot over there by where we used to live at?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You brought it up the last time we were stopping. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't really mean any of that shit. I only mean it when you makes me mad. I'm just kidding. I don't mean that shit. Okay, slow down, Mom. You thinking that, you know, you trying to pass cars and shit. I mean, slow your roll. So yeah, guys, we are like, BP is right up ahead. I need to go, well, I gotta get gas first because my car is just got a quarter tank. I filled up my other car, so I'm just filling this car up. I hope that wasn't too much information, but I'm just telling you. Then I definitely got to go get some of that stuff that, like, I swear, I just want to turn up and BP so fast just to see what my truck does. Girl, you better be careful. And she's, oh my God, look at them. They're the ones that's going to wreck. Okay, so now this is what, remember I got caught down in a store like this. Okay, so my gas hand is, what's my gas? Oh, this one. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I hope I brought my mask.
They're closed.
No, what? Oh yeah, she probably couldn't get there. Well, I got money on my card, I just didn't want to use it.
3 hours later.
Just definitely did not want to use it. I need to knock that stuff off my window side windows too. Yeah, she probably couldn't make it. This is the time when everybody calls off from work. I got a mask right there too. I definitely got to go to AutoZone. I got this in here too. Did you go in my purse?
No.
I know you didn't because I had the camera turned on.
I knew that.
You wouldn't have did anything like that, would you, son?
No. Wink, wink.
I know it's a wink, wink. I was just trying to make you look good for the camera, but shit, that's why I had to turn the cameras on, guys, because he probably would have tried to give me. He probably would have just took like $1 or something. Stealing is stealing. Now, that's all fictitious, y'all. He does not steal from me.
I know one thing, and you don't play about your money. I know that.
That's right, boo. You are absolutely right. So I went in here for the card and then went back out without the card. You getting out with me or you staying in?
The other card and
I am.
Yeah, I'm coming.
You don't got to if you don't want to.
No, I do.
You want to get out?
In this together.
Such a liar.
Oh, really?
Now, I be just joking, guys, when I be saying stuff like that. And I don't want y'all to feel like. We'll be back, guys. I'm going to pause this. We're back, guys. Now we're going to the AutoZone to get some stuff, so I don't gotta scrape this stuff off my windows the next time. I wanna do a fucking donut so bad. Donut.
Let's say that I'm live at the church parking lot.
We're not going.
Oh, really?
No.
Really?
Really, we're not. Fucking ice is like melting on my motherfucking windows. But I gotta keep this on. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm not nervous at all. I got this. At least I don't gotta press on the gas, which keeps the motor from being whatever that sound is. I would have drove my black car, but I'm not too sure about that car yet. Gotta get the brakes and shit checked out. I've never been intimidated by driving this kind of weather because hill in years. Years. Listen to that sound. I have to get up off the gas store to go away. I should go with the black car, but this is the car I need to be driving in case it gets wet. But you know what I'm saying? I got this. You see anything difficult about this? No hands.
You're a fucking idiot.
I had to put my seatbelt back on. I thought I'd make a joke out of it. We're gonna go down here to the thing is, guys, I don't think I'm gonna have a problem getting up there, up that hill. Slow down a little bit. The thing is, because I got good tires on this truck, I mean, I bought them like a couple of years ago. As a matter of fact, it was last year because we was living here. Over here, right? It was last year. I know, yeah, it's been about a year ago. So I'm not really too much worried about the tires on this truck. But my other vehicle, I bought that as is, so I don't know if, I need to get that really checked out, the brakes, the fluids, everything. I need to get that checked out. Why would they stop me on the hill? I am not going to stop because if well, maybe we will pick up traction. This is the time to find out. This is the time to find out. I kind of think this stuff like this is adventurous, to be honest with you. I really do. She kept going. That's what you're supposed to do. Oh my God. Y'all see me? I wasn't supposed to stop. You can't really stop on the hill like that. I had to go. Metro. I'm ready for you. Did you see how I had to move it nice and pick back up? You see how this is moving now? Okay, so guys, I am riding on the road. Gonna take my full sweet time because I definitely am sliding, but it's okay. And the thing about it now, you see we're going down a little slope, right? I'm teaching my son about driving. You don't want to hit your brakes, and you definitely don't want to. I think we should turn around and go back home. What do you think, son? I think I'm gonna make it. I'm going driving. You have to drive. Yeah, this is just ice, so you really have to be careful because once you lose control on ice, that's it. Nobody comes up. If they want to speed and go around me, have at it. I'm not gonna. We are definitely on the hill right now, guys.
Oh man, I don't need
Okay. So what I need to do now is kind of like slow down. I think that we're going to turn around, son, because I think it's just a little too bad. I really need that stuff for my car, but actually we're just out here and don't even have to be out here, you know? I'm feeling like, should I just do it though? Just go?
Hey, I think the thing about it. What is that?
I don't have time for that. I'm trying, my only focus is on this road, okay? I'm not, you worry about it. You find out what it is and tell me what it is. I don't have time for that right now. My eye is on the road, period. So, no, you find out what it is and tell me what it is, okay? We're good. I just, yeah, people gotta go to work, you know? What kind of animal was it? You actually thought I was gonna look over there? Right?
Think about it.
Think about what you're really think I'm gonna take my eyes off the road to look somewhere over an animal. Oh God. Right. So what the fuck? Windshield warm because it's like icy. I'm gonna be mad if I get down here and they ain't even open. That's what I'm gonna be mad about. Cause I'm sure they got their little parking lot all iced over and stuff, but I have got to get that stuff for to put, you know, the defrost stuff. Yes, sir. No metro man, you know. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. It don't look like they open. I see the yellow thing. I don't see no lights on here. I'm not even stopping. Is this metro behind me? Because I don't know if we're supposed to stop. When am I supposed to keep going? So I need to get over. Down where? All the way down? Okay. And he's like wanting me to go faster. I'm not going faster. My fucking windows are freezing over. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that stuff and spray it on there. I'm gonna be extra mad if. Okay, so like, on the real. Windows are freezing over. I'll get out and scrape it off and start all over again, you know. But yeah, this is, guys, this is like, yeah, definitely I'm going to get out. Where we're going is just to this next light. Oh, it's melting. I had to turn that damn heat up. You see it? Turn it on. Where we're going is right here. Oh. We're going right here, guys. So I can get some defrost stuff for my windows. I would have thought they would have had their shit. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we made it. We made it. We absolutely made it. Shit in my car that I need. Okay guys, we're back and we're on our way home. This stuff has really gotten bad out here. And you know, it is what it is, but I ought to do a donut right beside this fucking truck since he's so worried about washing it when he gets home. Oh, you hear that knocking? Okay guys, so we are gone. I am not intimidated by this, guys, because I do know how to drive. Oh, I love that swoosh swoosh. Okay, what I don't like is it seems like my wipers are not working. That's where I'm seeming to have a problem at. Okay, I don't know what can help this. You know what I've been doing wrong? Right. I don't have my glasses on. Watch these motherfucking poles. Shit. Oh yeah, this could be hazardous. Yeah, I can see a little bit better. But and this part right here is kind of like, I don't know, but my windows are definitely making me want to go somewhere else and try to get some stuff for it. Because when it's setting still, I'm not stopping because my vision is almost blurred, you know. look on the camera, you know? I think that when I had to go in fast, that was making it worse, you know? Yeah. But I definitely can drive in the snow, so I'm definitely not intimidated. I can't wait to get to the hill to see what's going to happen. Hopefully enough cars. Slow down, Mom. Slow your road. Like, this street is so long. Like, it is. Definitely can slide off into a ditch. That is not something that we are trying to do. We are trying to, yeah, when I had to go on like really fast, slow me down. Definitely don't want to hit a ditch. Slow it all the way down. All the way down. As low. Definitely don't want to ride brakes too much. Definitely don't want to do that. Ride those brakes, because it's going to be the worst thing to do. And like he's over in the hard part. He's pretty cool. I don't want to be right on the edge though. Like he'll swerve. We haven't seen anything like this in Nashville in forever, guys. Forever. So, I will go around about the houseway, but I don't know. I need to be able. Why would the light catch me? I think I'm gonna stop. Should I stop? Or should I break the rules? Yes, I have to stop. We're almost home though. I wouldn't advise anybody to like get in this shit, to be real with you. I mean, it would be a lot better if we were not, if it was not sleeting and if this stuff was just on the road, but and now my thing is just going up in the complex and hopefully we can do that. Car, you came up that motherfucker fast though, didn't you? Yes, he did. Yes, we did it. We made it back to the house. I wouldn't advise anybody to do this ever. And I turn this right here, which I can hardly see it because it's worse when I do that. Here we go, y'all. The thing about this is getting up into the apartment complex. Hopefully, whoa, yeah.
Why?
You get that? I knew I was gonna do it. That was fucking awesome. Oh God, that was cool, wasn't it? I'm gonna do that probably when I get ready to turn up here. I'm gonna put this motherfucker in low and take it on up this hill. Watch now. Watch now. I definitely am. Out here. Come on, lady. She couldn't make it. Okay. I'm gonna put this motherfucker in low. And here we go. what I was afraid of. I'm getting up this bitch. He came in. Oh my god. Come on. It's the tires. Okay. Guys.
Oh man, look.
Yes. I'm gonna try this motherfucker again. Oh my god, guys. We might have to leave the park right here. I'm gonna turn around. I guess we might be stuck down here, guys. Oh my god. But no, no me. I get this. I'm gonna do this. The truth is, we don't know in that motherfucker. If I can just close up in this bitch. I'm gonna try back up this hill one more time. I'm gonna try it and just drive. Yes. We stuck. We have to walk up the hill. Why did I do this shit? Why? Happy fail. And what makes it so bad is it's so hard to like. Oh my god, this is crazy. The truck right on right here. Okay, guys. Underwear. Oh my god. I'm just parking right here, guys. Right here, you can see it. Ain't that about a bitch? Ain't that about a motherfucking bitch? Bitch, 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 bitch. Goodbye, y'all. Okay, guys. I couldn't get her up the hill. There she sits over there. But my neighbor, he came down and he got her up the hill for me. Let's see. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, it's completely bad out here, so. But he got her up the hill for me and she's over there. I couldn't get her over here because beside my other car because it was just, it's bad out here. I'm just thankful I didn't have to leave her at the bottom of the hill.